Oh, iba-iba na ngayon ang pamamaraan ng tao.
Tama.
May mga tumatawang nangangabayo.
Ano yung iba?
May mga lumalakad tapos kumakaway, nakakatawa.
Paano?
Yung mga, may nakita kong ganung video, yung lumalakad tapos kumakaway sa
Paano?
ilalim, nakakatawa. Tawang-tawa
Alam ni
ako sa
Tambo,
video na yun,
ah.
Day. Yung lumalakad na malungkot, tapos may bumate, tapos kumaway sa lupa.
Oo.
Batiin mo ako. Lalakad
sige,
dapat
sige,
batiin mo.
Meme! Meme! Oh!
May mga langgam. May mga langgam na nanunood.
Sobrang funny. I found that really funny. It really made my day. That's why I was
Yeah.
late today. I was
Because
laughing
you-
the whole time in
you
the
were-
car. I couldn't go
You were
out of
just
the car
watching
because I was
it.
just
You
laughing.
were watching
Kinakawayan ka rin sa
it.
taso. Hi daw. Gusto
No
nila.
disrespect. I just found it so funny.
Yes, it is funny.
Dalaka.
Oo.
You call me.
Again. Meme Vice! Meme Vice! Oh! Ganun pala yun.
Yeah. I just found it so funny.
It is fun.
Yeah, it made me laugh today.
Made you laugh.
Just like your giggle today. Your giggle so
Giggle,
funny. It's like your horseback riding.
Kabayo.
Oo.
Oh, pasensya na, comedian kasi ako.
Yes.
Papatawa ako. Hindi yung number
Nagpapaligaya.
two.
Sorry
Content
naman.
creator ka rin.
Sorry naman.
Ha?
Sorry naman. Akala ko kasi
Oo.
comedian.
Pero minsan comedian, pero minsan masahista din.